Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you. This is a all Herschel haul. So in LA they usually have these sample sales held by a company called 260 LA, and this would be my second time going to a Herschel one. So I decided to do a haul for you guys to show you what I got. Coming from Canada, where Herschel was from, I had to go, so everything was such a steal. Okay, and let's start off. I'm going to be starting off with accessories and Fanny Packs, like iPad cases, and pretty much just like toiletry items. This item is this green Fanny Pack. It's a pretty large one, but this was present for someone, and I knew this would have a lot of space to use, so it's perfect for Coachella. I didn't expect them to like wear it here, more like on the side, but definitely it's a nice green color, has one pocket and it's a very big pocket on the inside. Tons of room. One is a coral, kind of like a waterproof kind of feel. It has also a zipper in the front and a zipper on the inside as well. This one I can suspect to go on the hip, or I can go this way either way. This camo one, super cute. I noticed that Herschel's camo is more of very like pop out, very like visible. So we didn't really like that design, so we found this and less subtle. To the iPad cases, so these are gifts. I pretty much just got them just to like, you know, like kind of like a stocking stuffer or like a last minute gift. These would fit iPad minis, or you could put them like with cords or just like chargers, so perfect size to travel with. This is this toiletry bag. This is also a gift. All of the items are gifts for my friends because it's just such a perfect like gift to give to, like it's universal, like you can use it anytime. So this one has like a mesh bottom and it's also waterproof material, big opening, and just easy to use for traveling. Last accessory would be this wet bag. So Herschel made some wet bags for like swimsuits and very waterproof material, so all you have to do is roll it up, fold it, and buckle it in, and there you go. All the wet stuff or dry stuff are very secured. Now I will be moving on to clothing. I got this crew neck. There's Herschel on it. I've actually wanted Herschel's apparel for a while now, but their site is pretty expensive. So at the sale, I would say t-shirts were mainly $20, and then whatever jackets, sweaters, it would be around like 40 to 50. So this was one of the sweaters I got. Next, I got a rain jacket with a hood. So in LA, it does not rain a lot. So I pretty much just got this when I would go back to Vancouver. It has like a logo on the back. But I fell in like love with these when they first came out with, and they're pretty long, I would say. It's kind of like a little trench coat in a way, but definitely really good material, and it's like nice and lightweight. Next, I got this long sleeve. It's like a thin long sleeve with the Herschel logo on it. Definitely have to rep Vancouver. And then the other item I got was this windbreaker with also the logo on the front as well. Okay, on to backpacks. So I got this for my boyfriend. This is a hiking, I would say a hiking backpack, kind of like an outdoorsy backpack. It's waterproof, has a really big opening, padded, and also at the bottom, if you unzipper this secret compartment, it comes with this orange kind of like waterproof material, so it's actually a cover for the backpack, and it's also attached to the backpack, so if it's raining and you don't want to ruin the backpack, you can bring it out, cover it up, and you are on your way. So I thought that was really cool. And I also really like how there's 2 water bottle protectors on each side, because we never have room to carry our water bottle, so this is just perfect. The next backpacks are just the simple 1 pouch, 2 pouch zippers, full screen, and you can carry both 15-inch backpacks. 15-inch laptops. And very simple. They were pretty good prices, so it's like, why not? Next backpack. I've never seen this backpack before. If you can see, it has like all these different, I guess like for pens and like keychains, but it's also a gift for someone, and it's kind of like a military kind of feel. This one is called the Surplus, so I think this would be like a perfect gift for someone who has like a lot of keychains or like pens that they need to hold on daily. And my last item is this luggage. This is what I wanted for the beginning when I first heard about the Herschel sale. I got 2 luggages last year and I fell in love with them, and I really wanted a pink one. So when I went, they were selling out right away, and this was the last one. It's not the size that I would prefer. This is the smallest size, but I think it would be perfect size just for like short trips, or just like if you have other luggage already. And the color is just beautiful. It has like a lock code. It has the zippers. And so the thing about the new luggage is that they don't have the wheels like this. The new Herschel luggages have wheels that are bigger and a little more plasticky in a way. So I definitely love this style of luggage. And that would be everything in a hassle. I did want wallets, but they sold out right away. So I am definitely waiting for the next Herschel sale, which will probably be next year, but can never get too many backpacks. I feel like I have already like a whole collection full of Herschel, but definitely love repping my city. And I hope you guys enjoy that haul. If you have any questions, please comment below and stay tuned for the next haul.